What's the meaning of acetone? Acetone. 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 Acetone is a colorless, flammable liquid with a strong odor. It is the simplest ketone, and is used as a solvent in many industrial and household products. Acetone is also produced by the body when fats are broken down, and can be found in the urine of people with diabetes. Acetone is a relatively safe chemical, but can be harmful if inhaled or ingested in large amounts. Symptoms of exposure to high levels of acetone include headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and confusion. If you are exposed to high levels of acetone, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Here are some of the common uses of acetone. As a solvent in paints, varnishes, and other coatings. In the production of plastics, fibers, and other materials. As a degreasing agent in cleaning products. As a nail polish remover. In the manufacture of explosives. Acetone is a versatile chemical with many uses, but it is important to use it safely and responsibly.